So guys, for the first method, you want to disable your extensions. So in the top right, you want to click on the three dots and then click on extensions and then click on manage extensions. You can try disabling them or removing them one by one to see which one is the problem. Or you could just disable all of them, refresh your page and then see if that works. For the second method, in the top right, you want to click on the three dots and then click on settings. Once you're on this, you want to click on About Chrome or About Microsoft Edge. Make sure that your web browser is up to date. It should start checking for updates automatically. Make sure that your browser is up to date. See if that works. For the next method, you want to click on the three dots again, and then click on History, and then click on History again. Once we're here, on the left hand side, you want to click on Delete Browsing Data. You want to make the time range all time, and you want to select cookies and cache. You can unselect everything else if you want to, but make sure that you select cookies and cache and then click on delete. See if that works. For the last method, you want to click on the three dots and then click on settings. On the left hand side, you want to click on reset settings and then click on restore settings to their original defaults. You can untick this box and then click on reset settings. Now you just want to restart your web browser, close it, open it back up again, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.